Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Now run the following commands to install dependencies such as Slam stack. After the installation, check the Apache service status with the following command. Also, you need to verify the mariadb-server. Lastly, check the PHP and Composer version with the following command. Open the default PHP configuration file using the following NANO editor command. Change the default PHP configuration with the following. When finished, save the file and exit. After that, run the command below to restart the Apache web server and apply the new PHP configuration. Open the mariadb shell by running the following command. Now run the following queries to create a new database and user, also to grant all privileges, and after that flush the privileges. Next, run the command below to verify the privileges of user Flarum that you have created. After that, quit the mariadb-server. Now let's download the Flarum source code. First, run the command below to create a new Flarum installation directory and directory for Composer. Then change the ownership of this directory to the next user. Now move the next directory and download the Flarum source code via the Composer command below. After the download process is completed, run the following ls command to check the Flarum source code. Now let's set up Apache virtual host for Flarum. Before creating, run the following command to enable Apache module SSL, rewrite and headers. Now create a new virtual host configuration using the following command. Insert the configuration below and make sure to change the server name option with your domain name and the path of document root directory for your Flarum installation. Next, run the command below to activate the virtual host file and verify your Apache syntax. Lastly, run the following command to restart the Apache web server. Now open your web browser and visit your domain name such as your IP address or your domain name. If your configuration is successful, you should get the Flarum installation wizard. Input your forum title, details of mariadb, user and password. Then input details admin user, email and password for your new Flarum installation. Click the Install Flarum button to continue the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will be shown the Flarum administration dashboard, like this. Now click on your user icon and select administration. This will show you details of your Flarum installation. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.